In this video, we're going to be talking about Mailchimp audiences. Whether you're starting from nothing or importing existing contacts into Mailchimp, your audience is where you will store and manage all your contact data. These are emails collected from people who have opted to receive emails for your business or organization. These people usually subscribe, also known as opt-in, through a web form. There are three types of audience member. A subscribed contact is a person who has opted in to receive your marketing emails. These are people who are actively receiving emails from your marketing campaigns. Unsubscribed contact. This is a person who has opted in to receive your marketing emails but later opted out. And a non-subscribed contact. This is the person who has interacted with your online store but has never opted in to receive your marketing emails. Let's just recap audience best practices. Mailchimp recommends you use a primary audience. Rather than using multiple audiences, you should use one audience organized with tags, groups, or segments. One audience is easy to manage and keep healthy. All the audiences in your Mailchimp account are treated separately and billed based on the total content of your audience. This excludes archived and clean contacts. So if you have two audiences and the same person is in both audiences, then you will get charged twice. You should maintain proper permission. If you have subscribers who are not regularly engaged with, you may want to reconfirm your contacts to ensure they're still interested in your marketing email. This will reduce bounced emails and abuse complaints. You should re-engage or unsubscribe inactive subscribers. We recommend periodically re-engaging inactive subscribed contacts to confirm their interest in your marketing messages. If these subscribers do not respond to your re-engage email, it is best to unsubscribe them. Finally, use double opt-in. You can use single or double opt-in method for your email marketing. Double opt-in requires subscribers to confirm their email sign-up before being added to your audience as subscribed contacts. Double opt-in can help ensure your subscribed contacts are interested in your business and keep invalid email addresses from your audience. So how do you create an audience in Mailchimp? When you create a Mailchimp account, they will automatically create an audience for you. Your audience is your collection of contacts, so you should only need one audience. There are three ways to import contacts into Mailchimp. The first is to add subscribers manually one by one. So you do that from your audience or contacts, and then you click on Add Contacts and then add a subscriber. And from there, you can add in the subscriber details. If you have a large number of contacts you want to get into Mailchimp, then you need to do this as some sort of bulk process. This is done from Add Contacts, then Import Contacts. And there are three different options here. The first is to import from another service. If we select that, it'll give us the options from the other services we can import from. You need to go through the process of integrating the service and then importing the contacts. Remember that any contacts you import, you need to have permission to market to these people. The second and third options are very similar. You can upload a CSV or tab delimited file with the details, or you can cut and paste in the same information. So let's click Upload a File and continue. We've got the option here to add the file, so let's just drag and drop the file in. And click Organize. And we need to select the status of the contact, and then whether we want to update any existing contacts or not. This is a dummy file of new contacts, so I don't want to update. At this point, you can specify a tag that you want to be applied to these contacts. That enables you to easily sort those contacts out from other contacts in your audience. So let's create the tag test, or you can select a tag that you've already created from the drop-down. Continue to match. So it's now asking us to match the column labels to the contact information. So if we look at the file that we created that I uploaded, it looks like this in Excel. So we've got the email, first name and last name in this list, and then I've got the dummy data I've added here. This is a so-called CSV file, comma separated values, and this is what it looks like in a text file. So we have the first field, comma, second field, third field. And we now get the choice of matching against the fields in Mailchimp. So email address, first name, last name looks good. If you had other fields, then it would, for example, tags, it would also show columns for that. And next we're going to finalize the import. And then it's giving us a little summary there. If we do complete import, and now we've said this added the 33 contacts into the audience. So let's just go back to the audience, look at all contacts. If we now, you see we've got them here, then the name and then the test.